Okay, today we're going to look at the axial and appendicular skeleton locations. So we're going to start with the skull. And in the skull we have the nasal, the volar, and in the eye we have the ethmoid, the sphenoid, and the lacrimal. We've got the maxilla. We've got the zygomatic, the mandible. On the skull we have the occipital, the parietal, the temporal, and the frontal. Okay, now we're going to take a look at the thoracic region. We've got the clavicle. We've got the manubrium of the sternum. We have the sternum. We have the true ribs that are attached to the sternum. We have the false ribs that are not attached down here. We've got our floating ribs. We have our scapula. And starting with the vertebrae, we're going to go with the atlas is our first vertebrae, and our axis is our second. That allows the motion of the head to swivel. We have 7 cervical vertebrae. Then we have thoracic vertebrae are 12. Lumbar vertebrae are 7. We have the sacrum and the coccyx. Looking at the pelvic region, we have the ilium, the ischium, and the pubic. Going up to the arm, we have the humerus, the radius, and the ulna. Going down to the legs, we have the femurs, the tibia, and the fibula. Okay, now let's take a look at the hands. For the hands, we have the capitate, which is the bone near the middle finger, the hamate, the lunate, the scaphoid, the sesamoid, and the trapezium. We've got the metacarpals, the carpals, the metacarpals, and the phalanges. We're going to take a look at the foot now. You got the heel, you got the calcaneus, you've got the cuboid, you've got the lateral, medial, and intermediate cuneiforms. You've got the metatarsals and the phalanges. This concludes our review of the axial and appendicular skeleton. Thank you.